Welcome to the Removing Webs demonstration. In this demonstration, we will create a new part by importing point cloud data and then creating a wrap model. First, we will import the point cloud data. We will select bottle.pts. We want to select facet from the import type. We can now click OK to import the facet data and create a new file. Now that the point cloud data has been imported, we want to create a wrap. Select Wrap from the phase group in the ribbon. We will now use the Remove Webs command to remove the web facets in the area inside of the handle. Select Remove Webs from the Wrap group. In the lower left-hand corner of the screen, notice the current facet count of 177,706. We will now zoom in and rotate the model to see inside the handle. We want to enter measurement mode, so we will now click Select 2 points from the Remove Webs dialog box. We will now select the ends of a facet edge. The measurement we just taken gives some reference as to the size of a facet we wish to remove. We will use this value as a basis for the minimum edge length we wish to remove. In the min edge length field of the Remove Webs dialog box, we will type 0.25. Now we can click OK to remove the webs in the model. In the InGraphics toolbar, we will select Standard Orientation from the Saved Views drop-down list. Note that the current facet count is now 172,832. We will now remove some facets from the front of the model so you can see the existing internal structures. Draw a rectangular marquee in the lower portion of the model. Click Push Shallow from the Wrap group. Note that the Remove Webs functionality only removed webs from inside the handle area of the model, not those inside the bottle itself. We can now click Undo. Now we will use the Shoot Through command. Zoom in on the top of the bottle. Click Shoot Through from the Wrap group. Now we can draw a rectangular marquee. Examine the results of the Shoot Through operation. We can now click Undo. We can now select Standard Orientation from the Saved Views list drop-down menu. Now we will create a facet model. Click Facets from the Phase group. Note that the facet count drops from 172,832 to 45,496. This is due to the removal of internal structures when the facet model is created from the wrap model. This completes the demonstration.